To add a soft pastel effect to a photo on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required photo. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tools icon. Swipe the icon area to the left and then tap style. Next, swipe the style thumbnail section to the left until you find pastel. If needed, you can adjust the intensity of the effect by dragging the slider below the style. The higher the intensity, the more soft and mute the colors appear. If you are happy with the result, tap Done button and then tap Save to save the change. As you can see, the pastel effect has been added to your photo. Given to the function, adding a soft pastel effect to your photo can transform it into a dreamy pastel tone image. Whether you are going for a soft artistic look or a gentle color palette, this effect adds a beautiful touch to your pictures. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.